Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this beautiful double fan gele. Stay with me and let's do this together. So first off, I start with my base pleats and I'm making four base pleats. So it's important to make your base pleats really well so that the end of your gele can come out really nice. And the measurement for this gele is 50-50. So how do you get your 50-50 measurement? You divide your gele into two equal parts. That is your 50-50 measurement. So yeah, I am trying to align my base split at a hair area. So make sure that once you get to your model's ear area, you lay your pleats over themselves, so that way you can be able to continue from the back the way I'm doing. So yeah, I make sure that I fold all of the ends of my gele so that I can have a neat gele at the back. Like the back of my gele can be really neat and make my work really easy. So remember, yeah, you can just put anyone over anyone because both flaps are equal. So any flap you feel like putting on top, put it, and anyone you feel like putting below, put it. So we start to make the fan pleats, and if you've seen any of my previous fan gele tutorial, you know I would always say this, that your fan pleats are slanted. Please make sure that your fan pleats are slanted. Just take a close look at what I'm doing so you can get what I'm saying. Please ensure that as you're making your fan pleats, you are aligning all of them, you're dragging out, and you're making sure that you do not lose any pleats. All of the hidden pleats, you're making sure that you're straightening them so that they can come out. And here I just start to fold my gele. So I fold it firmly on her head so that I can secure. So in this gele, you don't have to knot any side. All you have to do is fold once you get to the end of your gele, and make sure you secure firmly. Please secure firmly so you can secure more than once to be safe. If you know that you're not really good at securing, you can secure more than once. Just make sure that it is firm on your client's head or your model's head. So yeah, we go over the other side of the gele. So I'm making my fan pleats at the other side as well. So please make sure that you focus on how I am directing my fan pleat so you can understand how to do your fan pleats. Please make sure that your fan pleats are well aligned and that all of the hidden pleats are straightened out so that you don't have any problem at the end of your gele. So the beautiful thing about this gele is that there are no rows to it actually, except the measurement of the gele. So your depending on the length of your gele can meet at the middle, sometimes can meet at the side. Just make sure that you come out and do something really nice. You just get creative with this gele and you'll be amazed at the result you get. So now I'm done securing the other side of the gele, and we go back to secure the back. Gele is interconnected, I usually say. So I had excess flap that I did not want to work with, so I had to drag this string of the gele. So as I'm dragging this part I'm holding on to, this part is reducing the flap, the excess flap. So I do the same for the other side as well, and I wrap the end of my gele. Voila, I have a neat gele at the back. Please, it is important to tidy up your gele at the back. I usually say this and I cannot overemphasize it. Please, the same energy you give to the front of your gele, please give to the back of the gele as well. And yeah, I just come to show off our airlines. Please, it is important for you to adjust your gele at the front. It is really important. The airline is the beauty of the gele. I usually say thank you for staying up to this time, and I hope that you have subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button now and check out my other videos. I have nice videos on gele tutorial that you're going to learn a lot from. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.